Namaste, dear yogis. Welcome to this quick morning stretch to start your day feeling good. Let's begin right away in child's pose. Come towards the back of your yoga mat. Bring your big toes together. Slowly sit back on your heels with your knees as wide as you want. Then lower your chest down. Rest your forehead on the ground so you can lengthen your arms out in front of you or keep them along your body. Take a moment to center yourself. Take a nice deep breath in through your nose and a nice calming breath out through your nose. Let's do that once more. Deep breath in, slow breath out. Stay in your child's pose. We're going to add a twist. So keep your right arm lengthened out in front of you. You can even come up on the fingertips of your right hand. Then cross your left arm under over to your right side. Sort of like a thread the needle pose, but in a child's pose. Rest on your left ear. Take a deep breath. Take one more deep breath here. Slowly release. As you exhale, bring your left arm back. Lengthen it out towards the front of your yoga mat. And then cross your right arm under your chest over towards your left side, resting on your right ear. And then you can rest on your left fingertips, so bring the base of your left palm up. Feel that stretch in your left shoulder blade, your left shoulder. Take your final deep breath here in your child's pose with a twist. Slowly come out. Bring your right arm back. So lengthen both arms out towards the front of your yoga mat. Lift the base of your palms up. So really stretch out your shoulder blades, your upper body. Feel the space you're creating. Breathe. Then lower the base of your palms down. And then come on all fours. If you have sensitive knees, you can always fold your mat in the middle. Knees are directly under your hips. Wrists directly under your shoulders. And we'll do a few cat-cow poses. As you inhale, drop your belly. Lift your chin and look forward. Exhale, round your spine. Bring your chin to your chest. Inhale, lift the crown of your head and tailbone up. Exhale, bring the crown of your head and tailbone down. Keep going. Do a few more rounds on your own. Such a nice exercise to warm up your spine and connect your breath with movement. Then when you're in cat pose with your spine rounded, begin to sit back on your heels, kind of like a child's pose. Then as you inhale, arch your spine, come forward. Make this movement fluid, like water. Exhale, round your spine, sit back on your heels. Inhale, arch your spine, open your chest, and come forward. Exhale, round your spine, sit back on your heels. Inhale, cow pose, open your chest. Exhale, contract, sit back on your heels. Inhale, back to cow pose. Finish with a cat pose, round your spine, push the earth away, stretch it out, and release. Back to neutral spine. Then for a puppy pose, keep your knees directly under your hips. Walk your hands towards the front of your yoga mat. Slowly melt your heart down towards the ground. Rest your forehead on the ground. Feel the length of your spine. Feel the stretch of your chest. Keep your breath flowing. Nicely done. Take your final breath in puppy pose. Then come back on all fours for thread the needle pose. As you breathe in, lift your left arm up, cross it under and over to your right. Rest on your left shoulder and left ear. Keep your right hand by your right shoulder or lengthen it out towards the front of your yoga mat, your choice. Breathe into your twist and slight back bend. Nice, and then slowly come back. Place your right hand down. Lift your left arm up and place your left hand down underneath your left shoulder. Inhale, reach your right arm up. Thread it under your chest over to your left. Rest on your right ear and right shoulder. Left hand stays under your left shoulder or lengthen it out towards the front of your yoga mat. Breathe into your stretch and your twist and notice where you feel sensation. Notice where you feel the stretch happening. Notice where you feel space opening up. Take your final breath. Then release. Place your left hand back. Bring your right arm up and back under your shoulder. And then we'll finish in child's pose. Sit back on your heels with your big toes together. Keep your knees together or separate them. Lengthen your arms out in front of you. Melt your heart down. Rest your forehead on the ground. Take a few deep cleansing breaths in and out through your nose. Relax your forehead. Slightly part your teeth. Relax your jaw. Relax your eyelids. Just for a moment, allow your body to soften and melt. And then as you breathe in, slowly come out of your child's pose. Push yourself up and out and come to a seated cross-legged position. Let's seal our practice together. Bring your arms out to the sides with your palms facing up. As you breathe in, sweep your arms up. Gather all the love, light, and positive energy. Breathe out. Unite your palms. Draw your palms down in front of your heart. Bring all that beautiful energy into your whole being, into your whole day. Let it surround you like a magic bubble. Thank you so much for practicing with me. May this practice be a blessing to you. From my heart to yours. Good job, Yogi. Thank you so much for watching and for making it this far and showing up for your yoga practice. I'm so proud of you. I would love to give you my free Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is sign up with that first link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat.